Hi, my name is Fazuman and we will discuss what is the null keyword in the SQL and how can we use it in the Google BigQuery. So basically sometime we are tracking the data and our tracking is not working, and when this tracking missing the data, so how can we identify where our tracking is not working, where the data is missing? So like that, for example, this is our data sheet, is the sample data sheet, and you can see that there is some rows are missing in this specific column traffic source. You can see there is a missing and this is missing. So how can we identify that our tracking is not working well? So you have to come on the Google BigQuery and click on the SQL query. So we have to write the select, and so we have to choose the this specific column traffic source. So now you have to traffic source. Now we have to choose where our table is present, because we have to select our data set to see that with what is our data set name. It is the marketing series. So you can click and find that what is your table name. So this is our table name. Our data set name was marketing series and our table name July marketing data. So you have to come on the query and write this marketing series. So you have, so after the data set name, we have to put the full stop and write the column, write the table name. So our table name was July, the July marketing series. So this is our table name, and marketing series, marketing data. So now I have to put the null. So how can, so now just I want to that where the traffic source column is missing the data. So just you have to put the where filter and put the traffic source name traffic source, so is null. So this is our complete query, and you can do when you run this query, so this will identify where the traffic source column is missing the data. So you have to click on the run, and so we have to wait to run our query. So you can see that, so this is the row, which row they are missing the data, row 1, 2, 3. So for example, if you identify, so these are three rows where they are missing the data. So if you identify the number, the date, which date they are missing the data, then you click the order date. For example, like that, uh, put the column and order, in the lowercase, order date. So now the result would show which date so the traffic source was missing. So you will see the result. So now this is the date where the traffic source was missing. So you can identify that where your tracking is not working well, but you can also identify that where your traffic is working very fine. For example, if I want to see that where the traffic source is must be present, so how can we run this query? So you have to just put the not. So now you will see that where your traffic source column are filled, where, so you have run the query, and now this will show that all the rows where the data are must be present, and there is no empty row will be show you. So you can see that this is, so through this method you can identify where your data is missing and where your data is present. So this is from me. Thank you so much for watching this video.